bahane fu kwa mala bakwaje village ne gahanya ko ra hale ko gahanya ko place ko hem agbeta ke mela shi gahanya ko adak ble na fiu kata ma ko hana adwo.
So see, you've been here for 6 years.
Yeah.
Working 30 minutes every day.
It's more than 30 minutes. It's 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Even if you don't, yeah, it's 45 minutes.
Yo, good morning, Nkevan Official here again. It's so sad to know that people in different destinations and people in different locations are going through a lot that we don't even know about or we don't even say. Good Vibe Show is here to create a lot. Good Vibe Show is here to show you a lot. That's why we bring out Hood Outreach Project to give back to society once in a year. So the basic thing you can do for us is to just share our content, like our videos, and subscribe, and also donate any amount through our numbers on our flyers or even on the screen right now, so we can be able to achieve this year's Hood Outreach Project. On this episode, we are going to Lawoshime, where we'll be having this year's Hood Outreach Project, and it's going to be an experience, such an experience. So don't forget to subscribe with the post notification bell and you'll be notified anytime we release a video. I'm going to the roadside now to meet the Hood Outreach Project manager, Mousy. So let's do this.
Now at Azizachi, about to take part soon. I've had a Niba Junction. We'll keep you updated.
So at this point, we have to walk 45 minutes to Lawoshime using the bridge. There are 2 bridges. It's not rainy season, so we can't use the canoe. They used to use the canoe when it's rainy season, so we are using the bridge. Planning our trip to Lawoshime, we've done our research and realized that this walking distance is one of the main challenges for the people of Lawoshime. And due to this, they have been in the news for some time now and are still in the news.
The wooden footbridges linking the 2 communities from Hotorgodo is very dilapidated and a death trap, and life becomes more difficult in the rainy season. A visit to the communities by Joy News revealed that the sick, especially pregnant women, are carried in a specially made wooden structure by 4 men for about 5 kilometers to the nearest health center in Hotorgodo, or the Rabo Hospital for emergency cases. In many instances, according to the residents, they lose their relatives on the way to seek health care due to the long distance and lack of health center in the two communities. A pregnant woman in Member Plains was seen by journalists being carried on the wooden structure to the health facility in Hotorgodo, and a mother of two who is expecting her third child had just walked the long miles from the health center.
So come with us, let's journey to Lawoshime. Getting to the school and meeting the school authorities, we asked to meet the final year students and ask of some of their challenges, and these were some of their submissions.
Nkwanyinya Aumi Precious, Ocho Manima, Mayima Sukula, Lawoshime, Ota. Nyenya Myafa Kuhenya, Lemyeva Sukwa, Chichao, Mudere Myangu, Bla. Balon hamule miashi, miashon, mianyu nye miarachon.
Ma kukunkwanye chenye la princela, macho Lawoshime MA Basic School. Problem yo kama bokbomle, nes kwanchinya ba garomo na mabona school. Motona bridge Jeffy Vana, akananya chido amicho na chibu. Sometimes okona kenu venami. Mi rona ga kami po drivers so nyan to mi aba teachers we so na fi kunami sometimes so plan school over kunami.
I'm here with the assemblyman for Lawoshime, where we'll be doing our hood outreach project, and he's in person of, please, your name.
My name is Honorable Alessa here.
Honorable Alessa here. Okay, so what do you think? Do you think outreach project Lawoshime is the best place for it to come?
Really, as you can see, during in the Keta municipality, or the most deprived area is Lawoshime electoral area. And as you visited the school today, you can see the environment that the students are living. You can see the dust that they are using, and you can see the dress of the students in the school. So they really need this project to come on.
So you've seen all this deprived and everything, but you still have the confidence to become their assemblyman.
Yes, because any town, every town supposed to have a leader. So we just have a leader, you can move forward. That's why I chose myself to come as the assembly member to lead them to achieve something in future.
What would you tell the people out there in case they want to help your town?
I may say, as you are coming, you see that there is no road, proper road or access road lead to the community. The access road is the most important one that we will talk first. From there we go to electricity, And after the electricity, the education is the most key to everything. So I would like everyone who is watching me to come to our aid, help us to give the students a better education in this community.
Okay, your last word to the people before we go, or would you say that's your last word? You should come back and help your people, right?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you for talking to us, and we'll be back for the outreach. Peace out.